So for today's video everyone, today we are here at Ma'am Aisin store to see her different products and different kinds of gadgets. So what are you waiting for? Let's go! So ayun nga guys, at dahil nasa taas yung store ni Ma'am Aisin, so kailangan nating umakyat para makarating sa kaniyang store. So ayan nga, sabay-sabay kaming pumasok upang makita at marating lamang ang store ni Ma'am Aisin. This is located in San Teodoro, Bunawan, Agusan del Sur. And to those people na naghahanap ng iba't ibang klase ng laptop or gadgets, huwag ka nang papahuli, punta ka na sa Aisin store. At available din sila dito katulad ng print, Xerox, scan, laminate, and host ID. So lahat na nakikita mo, meron na sila dito. So tara, pasukin na natin. So as you can see, they have different types of gadgets. So meron din sila ditong piso print at iba pa. And these are their different types of laptops. As you can see, they are safe. Murang-mura lang talaga guys. Ang dating 14,900 ngayon nagiging 10,900 na lang. Swak na swak talaga sa budget. Kung bibili ka dito, sinisigurado ko sa iyo, hindi mo ito pagsisihan, pangako. So ano pang hinihintay mo? Bili ka na. They have available units like Acer, Apple, Lenovo, Dell, and HP. So lahat ng yan nakikita mo nasa Aisin lahat. Meron din sila ditong charger, battery, earphone or earbuds. And of course, if you want to input your files such as reports, thesis, activities, and assignment, you can also do it here. And we're thankful its owner, better known as Aisin. Thank you very much ma'am for welcome us and allowing us to vlog in your store. And I encourage everyone to support her always. Just follow her on Facebook page known as Aisin. And if you like this video, please like and share. Thank you and God bless.